Hello everyone, welcome to my channel friends. Today we will talk about the 10 reasons why you should learn to speak in English. So let's see. First, English communication increase income. Yes, all good job needs good English communication skills. Business require you to be able to talk clients in English. Second, English skills get more respect. It is weird but true. We in Indians give more respect to those who speak in English. I don't know the reason and I don't like this. What's important is speak good English to earn more respect and treat those with and without good English communication skills with equal respect. Third, English gets you more knowledge. It's a historical reason, but the truth is the latest research in science, technology, humanities, and almost everything today is happen in English. If you better understanding about the English language, so you can understand these things and gets more knowledge. Fourth, English makes travel easier. English is the most widely spoken language all over the world. If you know the language, you have an open window to most of the countries in the world. Fifth, biggest movies and book are in English. Hollywood is the biggest movie industry. Almost all prominent books in the world are either written or translated into English. English language music is huge. So why would you want to miss out on such a huge body of fun and mind expanding stuff? So think about it. Sixth, knowledge of English helps make friends. Yes, people not from your state, people not from your country, people not from your continent. There are so many wonderful people in the world. If you have knowledge about communication skills, so you can communicate with them and see which ones can be a good friend. Seventh, English communication gives power and influence. Knowledge is in English, knowledge is power, and you need power to fight for yourself. Most of the modern day knowledge and communication tools work in English, like codes, law book, website, etc. Eighth, English helps the world know our culture. The world today is not about forcing people, it's about convincing them. It's called soft power. If you know about the English language, so you can communicate the foreigners about your culture. Ninth, English helps us innovate better. If you have better understanding for English communication, so you can break the new ground. You need to know where all people have rich and used that knowledge, and then you will think about the new ideas and new things. 10th, English skills are our national advantage. One of the very few areas where India beats China is the number of English speaking people. Speaking English is the necessary of today's life. It enhances your personality and skills. So decision is yours. You should focus on not to improve English communication. If you learn something from this video, so don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching this video till